With the prevalence of digital printing technology, more and more businesses are trying to use digital printing technology to print washing labels directly on t-shirts, so that the color of washing care labels is no longer monotonous. But the firmness of washing care labels is a headache for them. Today we use regular DTF white ink to compare SUBLISTAR water washable care label special transparent DTF ink. The usage of both is the same: first print, then shake powder, and finally heat. It can be seen that when printing small patterns such as washing care labels, the pattern is easy to fall off after transfer using ordinary DTF white ink, and it is very likely that complete transfer cannot be achieved. The pattern is very firm after transfer using transparent DTF ink. It will not fall off after multiple washings. No matter how hard you rub it, the pattern is still very firm and clear. SUBLISTAR Transparent DTF Ink is a powerful weapon for your washable label printing.